Introducing the 2005 Chrysler PT Cruiser.
Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle.
With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle:
Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag. Call today to schedule a test drive.